Hey everyone, welcome if it is your first time here. If not, welcome back. My name is Ashley and today I am going to be unboxing two of my free baby gifts. One is from Newbie Box and the other is from my Amazon registry. So let me just jump right into it. I'm going to start off by saying that Newbie Box has the best packaging out of both of these. I did want to wait until I got my baby list box, but it still hasn't gotten here, and it said about 8 weeks and it's been I don't know how many weeks and it still hasn't shipped. And that one you actually have to pay for shipping once you complete your registry and they send it to you, but it is going to take a long time to get here. So anyway, starting with Newbie, love the packaging. It's so adorable. They actually do subscription boxes depending on your pregnancy. I know that you can do it monthly or by trimester, and it's, you know, a fun thing to do when you're pregnant. It starts off with a little card, a really cute card, and it says, "Dear Newbie Mom, congrats on your pregnancy. Sit back and enjoy these moments for you and the beautiful baby in your belly. Unwrap your Newbie Box filled with exciting essentials and helpful tips to support you and your motherhood journey. Love, Newbie Box." So that's a cute little touch. I think you can see kind of the pretty little paper and how it's wrapped. It has a nice little sticker on it. If you hear something in the background, my kids are in the next room and they are being super loud. So sorry, but I have kids. Okay, now opening the paper. First thing that is on top is this cute little bag. It says Newbie Box on the front. Nice little cute patterns. And it is water resistant, so that's a nice little bag to have. You can put this in your diaper bag for snacks, or I don't know, like if you want to go on overnight trip or toiletries for your baby. This is really cute. Okay, and then right under it, it has a Newbie guide. So it's really good. It has like all of the products that you received and coupons and information, and it's just really nice little touch. Then I have a Upspring Milk Flow, what's this, lactation supplement drink mix, and it's chocolate flavored. So I'm looking forward to try that. Then you have a little sample of the Palmer's cocoa butter. Okay, and then next I have a sample of Rooted Prenatal Multivitamin Fizzy Health Drink Mix, which is nice. So yeah, looking forward to try that too. Then we have the best water wipes. This is a pack of 10. These are awesome. If you haven't tried them, definitely recommend them. And then next we have some Prevail daily pads. Never heard of them, but you have a pack of 2. So I guess this is nice for after you deliver, I guess. It's more for bladder leaks actually. So yeah, 2 of these. Oof, definitely want to try this. I have an Upspring Milk Flow double chocolate chip lactation cookie. It looks really good, and I think there are 2 inside. Yeah, 2 cookies. Then we have a Kiko Passy, which I had never seen before actually. It's all clear. So this is kind of cute. It's all clear. It looks really nice. Simple, won't get, you know, it's easy to clean. And it's from a 0 to 6 month type Passy. Didn't even know they made Passies. Okay, and then we have some Lancino breast pads. I think there are 2 in here. Oh, we actually have 2 disposable nursing pads and 2 disposable storage bags. I actually really love these. I used them for both of my pregnancies and they are awesome. I also have a little Aquaphor 3-in-1 diaper cream, and it's just a little travel size or sample, which is awesome to just toss in your bag. I have a little card here that says Year of Wonders, and it's also, you know, for the Newbie brand, and you have like different items and things, which is also just informative but nice to have. And the last item in this box is actually another brand that I have never heard of. It's called Cuties, and this is Cuties Complete Care, and they actually included 5 size 1 diapers. Oh, and they're cute and they seem really soft actually. So you have 5 diapers. You got little animals, pandas and monkeys, doggies and foxes. They're really cute and they seem really soft. And I have never heard of these, so I'm looking forward to trying them. And I think I have a coupon in here. Yeah, I have a 50% off coupon. So that is it for the Newbie Box. I will say that I think that this is the better box in comparison to the Amazon box, but I also think that that is because this is more of a subscription style box. So they obviously like go all out. But again, this was free. So if you're thinking about getting a box, definitely consider that one because, you know, the products are really nice. Next we have my Amazon baby box. This is not as pretty, but again, this is a big company, and yeah, you just have to spend, I think it's $10 on your registry, or 20, I'm not completely sure, but I think it's 10. And then you qualify for your baby box after you complete your registry and make that first purchase, and they send it to you for free. Okay, so first off, we have another pack of another pack of water wipes, which are the best wipes. Then I have a little onesie from Moon and Back by Hannah Anderson. Never heard of it. It says it's a one size, but it's just a simple onesie, striped. Not the cutest, but still free. Okay, then we have a Philips Avent bottle. These aren't my favorite, I have to be honest. I've tried them before and they leak like crazy, but you know, babies are weird and they have preference for different bottles and passies, so it's nice to have some options. Then we have a little Cetaphil body wash and shampoo. We have this body lotion and body wash and shampoo by Pipit, I think you pronounce it. Never heard of them, but you got these little nice samples. We also have some 7th generation. I've tried these and they're not bad, I just don't love them. And they sent, I think, 4 size 1 diapers or 5 size 1 diapers, which is awesome. They also sent a swaddle. This is a little zebra print and the brand is Amazing Baby. And then I have 2 disposable breast pads and 2 disposable storage bags and a little breastfeeding like guide, which is cool. And last but not least is a sample of Dreft baby laundry detergent, which I do use this, and then I just switched to an all clear one once the baby is born because it's just easier. I use it for the whole family. My battery died just as I was about to close this video, so I'm sorry if it looks a little bit different, but that's everything that was included in these 2 boxes. If I had to choose one, I think that the Newbie one is a lot better, even though they're just kind of personal preference. I do like that the Newbie one has different brands that I have not tried, which is nice because we're so used to trying the same things over and over. And you never know if there's something better out there. As I said, I did want to get the Target gift bag and the I'm still waiting on the Babylist gift box, which does cost $10 of shipping, but that's taking forever to get here. And I just wanted to get these filmed so I can store them because I have a whole bunch of things in that closet behind me and I want to get things a little bit more organized. So I'm hoping that soon I will be able to unbox those 2 for you. So if you're pregnant and looking for free baby stuff, definitely consider all of these because you can never have too much free stuff. Come on, with a baby. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, show me with a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed and like this type of content, don't forget to click the subscribe button before you go. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.